Amang ng 10 ang Team Maroon. Shot clock set at 16. RJ. Binigay kay Maharot. Binigay kay 4J. Back to Samson. What a movement by the Team Maroon. Assist by 4J. 2 points Samson. Our score 19-7. Justin pinasa kay Kuya Cas. Kuya Cas to James. James takes a jumper. No good. Post rebound. Maharot tumanggap. RJ bringing down the ball. RJ drop. Foul. Who's foul? Rip. 23. First personal foul. Team foul. First team foul. Pots tumira. No sir. Rebound James Pacardo. Miranda nagbababa. Yan na. Joe. Whoa. What an assist by Joe Marie Caningasa. 2 points. Buza. $14 to shoot. Samson. No good. Tapik na biyakas kay Kuya Joe. Who's foul rip? 7. First personal foul. Second team foul.
Saan pa rin tayo pa dito? Ginawa po.
Okay, nag-deep na ako. Pacardo, 2 points. Hindi ko nakita yung assist. $16 on the shot clock. Our score 19-11. RJ nagtuturo. 12 to shoot. Naagaw ka ni James Pacardo. James Pacardo nagmamadali. James pinasa kay Puza. Foul. Number 7. Second personal foul. 13 foul. Like. Two shots pa? Okay, 2 shots pala. Galaw inbound. First shot, Puza. Short.
Vince, wala nang tubig yan.
Ito, maglagay kayo dyan, no?
Wala na
May
nga
tubig, lagyan niyo may tubig. Yan,
Wala na nga lahat.
Okay, malas natin. Second shot is good. RJ ngayon nagbababa na bola. RJ, guy in the back. 17 to shoot. RJ finds Potts. Jumper is short. Rebound Samson. 10 to shoot. Binigay kay RJ. RJ drives to the paint. Maharot for 3. No good. Samson rebound. Samson. Kick out to Potts. Job step in. 18 to shoot. Last 1 minute remaining. 4J, pinasa kay Potts, muntik na matravel. RJ for 3. No good. Wala po yun.
Ako mo, hindi ko nakakabat kanina.
Hindi mo pa rin nakikita?
Last 47 minutes out now is at 16. Potts, no good. Puza, nagmamadali. Puza, 2v1 situation. Puza. No good. Rebound Potts. Rebound. 19-14 naman ang Team Red. Ay Maroon. RJ naka-rebound. 12 to shoot. RJ takes a 4-3. No good. Rebound ni Potts. Kick out to Samson. No good. Rebound ni Puza. Last 6 seconds. Joe pushing the ball. Joe nadulas. Pass to Miranda. 1 to shoot. Good even close. No good. Start of the second quarter. Number 12 tumanggap. Binigay kay Bigoy. Bigoy to Bai. Bai takes a 3. Short. Muntik na masave ni Kuya Jun. Odulio takes a 3. No good. Rebound Ino finds Odulio. Finds Gabo. Crosses over. Gabo pass to Kuya Onyot. Huli na kay Bigoy. Kuya Jun nagmamadali. Kuya Jun turning on the desk. Kuya Jun libre. Huli. Clean block by Ino. Clean block by Ino. Grabe, ang bilis makakabal ni Ino doon. Na-chase
Wait
down
lang.
pa.
Ako nga magbibit-bit dalaw na kami sa akin.
Kuya Jun,
Check nga natin.
doesn't
Hindi
take
ko
a
alam,
tree.
Rick, kung bukas.
Chan Chan. Grab pass to Bikoy.
Check mo muna.
Driving. Chan Chan.
Tapos
Assist
pag
by
wala sa taas.
Bikoy. 2 points for Chan Chan. Our score, 19-16. Gabo, may hawak ngayon na bola. Binigay kay Kume. 14 on the shot clock. 13 to shoot. Odulio. Back to Kume. 10 to shoot. Gabo, may hawak. Kumat si Ino. 5 to shoot. Kuya Onyot fakes. Fade away. 2 points. Kuya Onyot. Our score, 21-16. Kuya Onyot picks up by 16 on the shot clock. Kuya Onyot. Close out on by. No good. Rebound Gabo. Gabo turning on the jet. It's a 4v4 situation. Odulio. Odulio. Pass to Kuya Onyot. Kuya Onyot. No foul is called. Recovers the ball. Pass to Kuya Gabo. 14 to shoot. Gabo. Gabo finding someone. Finds Kume. Doesn't take a three. Drive to the paint. Finds Kuya Onyot. Kuya Onyot. No good. Chan Chan. Nagpamadali. Chan Chan. Lumipad. 2 points. Chan Chan del Rosario. Score, 21-18. Among pa rin ang Team Maroon. Gabo, binigay kay Odulio. Odulio tries a three. No good. Rebound ni Ino. Ino. Oh, what's the call rep? On the floor, number 12. First personal foul. First team foul.
Ay, sa'yo kayo, Leo, nananakot.
Shoutout sa pinakapogi ng Rooks. Leo Tolentino.
Eh,
Hindi na si LJ. 50 years ago yun. 16 to shoot. Number 12. No good. Rebound number 12. Pick out to Kuya Jun. Pick out to Bigoy. Bigoy. Pinasa kay number 12. Number 12. Oh, good. Assist by Bigoy. 2 points for number 12. Odulio ngayon. May out na ba? Odulio. Standing up Kuya Jun. 16 to shoot. Kuya Jun. Close out on Kume. No good. By rebound. Bay, binigay kay Bigoy, 18 to shoot. Binigay kay number 12. Number 12, binigay kay Bay. Bay fakes, 13 to shoot. Bay takes a three. No good. Rebound, Kuya Onyot. Kuya Onyot, binigay kay Gabo. Binigay kay Odulio. Turning on the just Odulio. No foul is called. Wala. Same ball lang.